Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to automate your WordPress blog using n8n8 and AI. This is a game changer for software and tech creators because it lets you build a full content engine that researches, writes, and posts for you. The steps are logically connected to create a seamless flow from a simple idea to a published post. First, you need to connect n8n8 to your WordPress site securely. Instead of using your main password, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Users, then Profile, and scroll to the bottom to create an application password. Copy that code and head over to n8n8 to set up your WordPress credentials. Next, we build the workflow. Start with a scheduled trigger if you want to post daily, or a Google Sheets node if you want to feed it specific topics. The next step is the brain. Add an OpenAI node or your favorite LLM to generate the content. You can give it a prompt to write a full article based on your topic. To make it look professional, add a second AI node to generate SEO-friendly tags, categories, and even a meta description based on the article's text. The final step is the WordPress node. Connect the output from your AI nodes directly to the content, title, and tags fields in the WordPress node. You can set the status to draft so you can give it a final human polish, or set it to publish for 100% automation. If you want to get fancy, you can even add a node to generate a featured image using DALL-E or Midjourney and upload it to your media library automatically. That's it. You've just built an AI-powered blogging machine. If this quick guide helped you scale your content strategy, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech and automation tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to share a specific n8n8 JSON template for this workflow, and I'll see you in the next video.